Good evening, Rotarians and friends. A warm welcome to Governor official visit of Rotary Tirupur Metal Town for the year 2020 and 21. On behalf of our club, we, President Rotarian Shivachandran, Secretary Rotarian Shivaprakash, Treasurer Rotarian Sundarraj, thank District Governor Rotarian Harikrishnan Nambiyar and District officers for supporting this year. We thank all our members, senior Rotarians and past presidents for providing this golden opportunity in the Silver Jubilee year 2020-21. Please sit back and witness our club activities. We did all our club activities under the avenues of service like club service, community service, youth service, vocational service and international service. Under community service, we addressed COVID response projects, health related projects, school development projects and community development projects, and all other activities like district priority projects, significant projects, wash and schools projects, public image, and finally the Rotary Foundation. Let us see club service activities one by one. We installed Silver Jubilee President Shivachandran and his team of office bearers in a virtual way in this year beginning, and we included 6 new members in different classification, and we sponsored a new club named Rotary Tirupur Pioneers with 31 new members. We launched our club website rotarytirupurmetaltown.in, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Loganathan with cost of rupees 7,000. We launched our monthly magazine Metal Rotarian, and we issued 12 editions in this year. We arranged virtual way of speaker meetings to our club members, and first speaker Dr. Punraj in the topic Ulluvudella Muyurvullal. Second speaker meeting Rotarian Shivakumar under the topic Government Subsidies. Third speaker meeting with Rotarian Loganathan under the topic Trademark, Copyright and Patent Rights. Fourth speaker meeting co-hosted with Rotary Chennai Valacheri by Sri Srikanth under the topic Clean Up, Capitalize and Restructure. Co-hosted fifth speaker meeting with Rotary Chennai Valacheri, and the special speaker was Dr. Shanmugam under the topic Intellectual Property Rights. Arranged sixth speaker meeting with JCI Smiling Stars under the topic Panjatandram, and it was delivered by Mr. Nayakan. We arranged Members Skill Development Days, MSD Days, along with JCI Erode Elite continuously for 7 days. First day under the topic You Are the Key. Second day under the topic The Communication Skills. Third under the topic Work-Life Balance. Fourth day under the topic Demand and Supply. Fifth day under the topic Public Speaking. Sixth day under the topic Successful Entrepreneurship. The final day under the topic MS Dhoni. To have a friendship and fellowship, we have a cricket team, Metal Kings, and we played box cricket, and we included our kids as well. We played inter-district cricket tournament at Namakkal, and t-shirts were sponsored by Rotarian Arunachalam, and we cleared through semi-finals. We played fellowship cricket at Coimbatore along with Rotary Clubs of Coimbatore. And we played cricket tournament at Coimbatore organized by Coimbatore Round Table, and we won Runner-Up Cup. During Pongal holidays, we arranged a trip to Kunnur along with our senior Rotarians. We had a good time. This is our Silver Jubilee year, and we honored all our past presidents on our Charter Day 16/4/2021, and we had a good fellowship time on that day. In the beginning of this year, due to COVID restrictions, we conducted club meetings and board meetings in a virtual way for the first 2 months, July and August. And we moved to physical meetings from September 2020 to April 2020-21. And again, we are back to virtual way of meetings due to COVID restrictions for the May and June 2021. Throughout the year, we celebrated our members' birthday through soft copy greeting cards. And we included all our members' family by wishing on their wedding anniversary day, and we wished all our kids' birthday as well. At the end of the year, under club service, we have completed 16 projects, 14 speaker meetings, and worth of rupees 1,54,000, and it was benefited to 650 people. And also, we achieved district citation award from our district governor, and we are the first club in our district to receive Rotary citation for the year 2020-21. Under community service, there are 4 categories: COVID response projects, health related projects, school projects, community development projects. We have supported our community by providing several COVID response projects to bring back our community in a normal position. In 15 Velambalayam Primary Health Center, we have donated thermal scanner and sanitizer, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Arul Saravanan with the cost of rupees 6,000. Then masks to frontline workers sponsored by Rotarian Ashok Kumar, cost of rupees 6,000. We donated sanitizer sprayer machine to Primary Health Center, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Ramachandran, cost of rupees 4,000. Then we provided Kabasarakudi Neer powder to Corporation Office and its staffs, and it was sponsored by Rotarian IPDG Karthikeyan, and it cost of rupees 10,000. We provided masks to Tirupati Police Department peoples, and it was sponsored by Rotarian IPDG Karthikeyan, and it was handed over by Rotarian Anandram. We sponsored N95 masks and notebooks to Primary Health Center, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Muralidharan, cost of 5,500 rupees. We have distributed masks and created road safety and polio awareness to Tirupur physically challenged peoples, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Shanmugam, cost of rupees 12,000. With the support of 15 Velambalayam Primary Health Center, we have arranged COVID vaccines to our members, and it was benefited to 50 peoples. During the lockdown, we have provided food to government hospital nurses, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Anandram, cost of 79,000 rupees. To provide treatment to the corona patients, our member Rotarian Symphony Subramaniam provided his building rental free worth of 12 lakh rupees, and it was benefited to many peoples. To support Rotary COVID Care Center, we have collected rupees 4,76,000 from 50 Rotarians of our club and few NRIs from different countries, and we have donated 4,76,000 to Rotary Prime Trust account, and it was benefited to many peoples. We provided focus lights to Rotary COVID Care Center, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Balachandar, cost of rupees 5,000. We sponsored wheelchair to Rotary COVID Care Center, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Arumugam, cost of rupees 10,000. We provided fridge to Rotary COVID Care Center to secure the medicines, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Vasant, cost of rupees 10,000. We sponsored personal protective equipments to Rotary COVID Care Center, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Ranjendra Kumar and Rotarian Etirajulu, cost of rupees 40,000. We completed 15 projects under COVID response worth of 18,63,500 and benefited to 6,000 peoples. We have done many projects to improve the health of our community. We arranged blood donation camp at Rotary IMA Blood Bank, and we donated 18 units of blood on that day, and it was donated by our club members. We donated stretcher to Avinashi Government Hospital, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Anandram, cost of rupees 10,000. We supported a paralyzed person, physiotherapy and medicine support. Projects are sponsored by Rotarian Anandram and Rotarian Ramesh Kumar, worth of 45,000 rupees. To support End Polio, we purchased Tambola tickets, and we donated the winning prize to End Polio by Rotarian Shivachandran and Rotarian Senyapan. We launched blood donation mobile application and website to Senjolai Foundation, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Anandram, worth of 65,000 rupees. We donated glucometer strips and albumin strips to Primary Health Center, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Govindaraj, worth of rupees 8,000. We sponsored 4 calipers to physically challenged kids and adults conducted by Rotary Coimbatore, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Anandram worth of 20,000 rupees. We arranged nutritional food to HIV affected kids who are staying in orphanage center at Salem, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Anandram worth of rupees 15,000. We did finance support to actor Mr. Babu, who was bedridden, and he was supported by Rotarian IPDG Karthikeyan, Rotarian Armugam, Rotarian Ravichandran, Rotarian Anandram worth of rupees 25,000. We supported a paralyzed person's physiotherapy treatment on daily basis, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Rangaraj worth of 35,000 rupees. We supported to a cancer affected boys medical treatment, and it was supported by Rotarian Loganathan worth of rupees 20,000. On National Immunization Day, we have arranged a vehicle to transport the polio vaccines to 11 centers in and around Tirupur, and we sponsored t-shirts and we provided food on that day. And it was sponsored by Rotarian IPDG Karthikeyan and Rotarian Ramprabhu worth of rupees 20,000. We donated stethoscope and BP apparatus, each 2 numbers to Primary Health Center, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Kamalakannan worth of rupees 6,000. We donated rupees 50,000 to brain tumor affected girls operation, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Selvaraj, Rotarian Janardhanan, Rotarian Shivprakash, Rotarian Ashok Kumar, Rotarian Anandram, Rotarian Kadirvel, Rotarian Gopinathan, Rotarian Ramachandran, Rotarian Loganathan, Rotarian Ravichandran, Rotarian Gopalakrishnamurthy, Rotarian Vasant, Rotarian Arun Saravanan, Rotarian Saktivel. We arranged second blood donation camp of this year, and we donated 25 units of blood, and it was a Guinness World Record participation. We supported to a TB patients medicines for 5 months, and it was donated by Rotarian Karpagam worth of rupees 2,000. We donated arsenic album to garment factory workers, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Varadaraj worth of rupees 2,000. Under community service, health related, we have done 17 projects worth of 3,31,000 rupees, and it was benefited to 1,825 people. Schools development is nothing but it's community development, and we have supported to many projects in schools in this year. We donated 20 numbers of chairs to Bommanaikanpalayam Government School, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Madheswaran worth of 10,500 rupees. We installed a new motor at Kavitalakshmi Nagar Government School for their water circulation system. And we donated chairs to Kavitalakshmi Nagar Government School, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Balakrishnan worth of rupees 10,000. We donated bed sheets and towels to Tiso Orphanage School, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Ravichandran worth of rupees 10,000. We donated 10 numbers of ceiling fans to Muthunagar Girls Government School, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Subramaniam and Rotarian Bhubadi worth of rupees 15,000. We donated school furnitures to Periyaipalayam Government School, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Selvaraj worth of rupees 10,500. Under community service schools, we have done 6 projects worth of 2,33,000 rupees and benefited to 975 people. We did many projects to community development. We donated Mixi to Vivekananda Sevalayam Orphanage Center, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Anandram worth of rupees 7,000. In Rotarian Bhubadi's farmland, we planted 700 trees, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Bhubadi, cost of rupees 1 lakh. In presence of MLA Mr. Vijay Kumar, we planted 175 tree samplings, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Govindaraj and Rotarian Subramaniam worth of rupees 75,000. During flood times, we supported to Gudalur, and we provided 400 numbers of fleece t-shirts and cash worth of rupees 15,000, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Anandram, Rotarian IPDG Karthikeyan and Rotarian Senniappan. We donated UPS battery to Primary Health Center, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Palnisamy and Rotarian Alaksaral, total worth of rupees 27,500. We donated rice bags 275 kgs to Tiso Orphanage Center and it was sponsored by Rotarian Munis worth of rupees 12,000. We donated rice and groceries to Karuna Illam Old Age Center and it was sponsored by Rotarian Shubhas worth of rupees 10,000. We donated rolling chair to a physically challenged person and it was donated by Rotarian Ravichandran worth of rupees 3,500. To support for his business purpose, we donated a laptop to the physically challenged person and it was donated by Rotarian Palanisamy worth of rupees 7,000. We donated breakfast to Orphanage Center and it was sponsored by Rotarian Manikandan and it is a worth of rupees 5,000. Based on the request from 15 Velambalayam Police Station, we provided window curtains and it was sponsored by Rotarian Armugam project worth of rupees 10,000. During Diwali days, we provided sweet box to 2 orphanage centers and the kids were very happy to receive the sweets. During winter days, we provided winter blankets to the Standard of Peoples at Avinashi and it was sponsored by Rotarian Gobinathan worth of rupees 3,000. At Semipalayam Primary Health Center, we laid concrete road and it was sponsored by Rotarian Vasant worth of rupees 40,000. We constructed fencing to Mangalam Police Station and it was sponsored by Rotarian Vasant worth of rupees 25,000. Tirupur district conducted job fair to physically challenged peoples at Tirupur Collectorate in presence of Tirupur Collector. We provided food to 400 peoples and it was sponsored by Rotary Rajendran worth of rupees 12,500. We provided rice and groceries to Karunai Illam Old Age Center and it was sponsored by Rotarian Shivaprakash worth of rupees 5,000. We provided rice, groceries and fruits to Prabanja Illam, a old age center and it was sponsored by Rotarian Armugam worth of rupees 10,000. We donated rupees 15,000 to a boy baby's medical treatment and it was sponsored by Rotarian Sarvanakumar, Rotarian Gobinathan and Rotarian Dhanasekaran from Pride Rotary. During the lockdown time, we provided food to Tirumuruganpundi Police Station officials and it was sponsored by Rotarian Velusamy worth of rupees 10,000. We have completed the community development projects 20 numbers and worth of rupees 4,95,500 and it was benefited to 4,350 peoples. Under 4 categories of community service, we have completed 60 projects worth of 29,23,000 and it was benefited to 13,200 peoples. Youth service is the futuristic service to the society and we arranged e-Raila to our AVP College Rotaractors. On the first day, Rotarian Dr. Prasila Sundarraj addressed women leadership. On the second day, Dr. Deenadayan covered on the topic time management and communication skills. On the final day, we have arranged 2 speakers, Mrs. Gladys Alex under the topic Nalai Niyar and the valedictory session attended by Rotarian Shakti Nalla Sivam DRCC. To motivate the young kids, we provided shields and we celebrated Independence Day by providing national flag and distributed sweets and it was sponsored by Rotarian Ganeshan worth of rupees 5,000. We donated college fees of rupees 35,000 to a law student. She is a first generation college goer in her family and it was donated by Rotarian Ganesh Kumar and Rotarian Lada Karthikeyan. We initiated Selvamagal Semipu Thittam to 28 girl student in the first phase and it was donated by Rotarian Varadaraj, cost of rupees 10,000. In the second phase, we donated to 22 girls and it was donated by Rotarian Palanisamy, cost of rupees 5,500. In the third phase, we have added 54 girl students in the scheme and it was donated by Rotarian Armugam worth of rupees 26,500. So altogether, more than 100 girls were benefited in this scheme in this year. To give some relief from corona restrictions, we have arranged a free cinema show to orphanage kids and it was sponsored by Rotarian Senyapan worth of rupees 7,000. We celebrated Republic Day along with young orphanage kids and motivated them, and we provided breakfast worth of rupees 7,000. On the same day, we celebrated Republic Day with the government school students at Kavita Lakshmi Nagar School, and we provided lunch to those kids and parents, and we encouraged them to show their talents, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Case Money worth of rupees 6,000. To encourage the young cricketers, Rotarian Anandaram sponsored rupees 10,000 to those young cricketers as a prize money. To motivate the young AVP school interactors, we arranged 2 motivational sessions during their installation, and we arranged pins and collars to them. With this, we have completed 12 projects under youth service and worth of rupees 1,10,000, and it was benefited to 425 people. Vocational service is to encourage the peoples who are doing excellent service in their vocations, and we provided National Builder Awards to 24 government school teachers, and it was sponsored by Rotarian KG Ravi and Rotarian Gopalakrishna Murthy, and we secured the certificates to all those 24 government school teachers under RILM. We did international service through our AVP School Interact Club in this year. We arranged a video, and it was conducted in 11th Annual Interact Awards, and we secured second position globally. We did a significant project, Friday Food Scheme, at Tirupur Collectorate. On every Friday, the physically challenged peoples from all over the Tirupur district visits Tirupur Collectorate to get their ID cards and for their grievance redressal. We found those physically challenged peoples were struggling for their lunch, and we arranged lunch packets to all those peoples whoever comes from all over Tirupur district to Tirupur Collectorate. We started this project from November 2020, and continuously every month, every week, we provided this Friday Food Scheme through our sponsors. We thank Rotarian Siniyappan, Rotarian Kanagaraj, Rotarian Bhubadi, Rotarian Mainambi, and Rotarian Aruchami. Totally 950 physically challenged peoples were benefited out of this scheme. District priority projects of 2020 and 21. We created awareness to use paper carry bags instead of plastic bags, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Kadirvel worth of rupees 3,000. During lockdown, we conducted drawing contest to Tirupur school students on the subject water nature conservation, and each class students were gifted with prize money 1,000 rupees, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Loganathan project worth of 10,000 rupees. We donated nutritional supplements to breastfeeding mothers at Primary Health Center, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Jagannathan and Rotarian Balachandar worth of rupees 10,000. With the support of district funds 2019 and 2020, we sponsored 1,60,000 worth of pulse oximeter 50 numbers, thermal scanner 50 numbers, and face shields 300 numbers to all the primary health centers in and around Tirupur. We sponsored dental kits, soaps to orphanage kids, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Tangaraj, cost of rupees 7,000. Dr. Kishore's World of Dentistry organized dental checkup and free surgery to 70 orphan kids who are staying in orphanage centers. He has done total braces treatment for 11 kids, total scaling done for 34 kids, total filling done for 19 kids, total extraction done for 20 kids, total pulpectomy done for 2 kids. And it's a continuous project sponsored by our new member Dr. Kishore worth of 4,50,000 rupees. With the support of AVP school interactors, we conducted rally to create awareness on corona, rainwater harvesting, anti-drugs and road safety. To safeguard our forest department peoples from winter, we provided winter jackets, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Anandram, project worth of rupees 75,000. We donated to a girl student college fees who was under single parent support, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Senthil Kumar, Rotarian Arumugam, Rotarian Aruchami, Rotarian Nithirajulu and AVP Arts and Science College. Project worth of rupees 30,000. We donated 1 year school fees to orphan kids, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Mohan Raj and Rotarian Sadish Kumar. Project worth of rupees 10,000. We sponsored Central Processing Unit to a government school for their online education, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Rangaraj worth of rupees 10,800. We donated a mobile phone to a girl student for her online studies, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Ravichandar worth of rupees 6,500. Under District Priority Project, we have done 13 projects worth of 7,78,900, and it was benefited to 1,500 peoples. Public Image Project is our Rotary image building in our society. On World Polio Day, to our cycle rally peoples, we provided water, biscuit and fruits, and we sponsored End Polio t-shirts as well. And it's one of the image building for our Rotary. And we started a Anbana Alamari project where the underprivileged peoples can take the clothes freely from that rack, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Senthil Kumar worth of 15,000, and the clothes were sponsored by Rotarian Shivachandran and Rotarian Shivaprakash. To publicize our club activities and club projects, we have our own Facebook page, and we are connected with 4,713 friends, and we are connected with global Rotarians. Wash in Schools Wins Project. We arranged a wash basin to 15 Velambalayam Government Middle School, and it was sponsored by Rotarian Jaibal worth of 13,000, and it was benefited to more than 500 school kids. The Rotary Foundation TRF. Our Club Rotarian and IPDG Karthikeyan donated 4,000 USD to TRF, and 137 members from our club donated each rupees 500 to Polio Fund, and totally we contributed $4,922 to TRF in this year. To summarize our Rotary Tirupur Metal Town 2020-21 club activities, we did 116 projects worth of 40,70,000 rupees and 17,500 beneficiaries, and we did more than 2,500 hours of service. We inducted 6 new members and 1 new club with 31 members, and we donated $4,922 to Rotary Foundation. We thank all the Rotarians and sponsors for supporting us in this year 2020-21. Thank you once again.